Okay guys, so my makeup is all done. Whenever I take pictures for Instagram or anything like that, what I like to do is pick an outfit out and things like that. So I'm trying to decide if I want to stop the video here or if I want to show you guys how I actually do the process. I think I'm gonna stop it here because I don't want to put all this work into the video and it doesn't get received as well as I would like it to. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to get dressed, take my pictures, and then I'm gonna insert some pictures in the end, and then you guys can let me know if you want to see the whole process of how I take the pictures and the lighting I use, or sometimes I take my pictures right outside in my own backyard. But you guys let me know what you want to see so I can make it happen for you, okay? Because I wanted to show kind of like what it's like for a small influencer to do it. So yeah, y'all, right now I'm currently rocking my outfit that I got from Lovely Wholesale. That's my little one, if you heard her screaming. But yeah, and I really like this outfit. But yeah, y'all, so I'm about to get dressed and I'm gonna take some pictures and then I will insert them at the end of this video. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. I hope you guys like this video. If you found it helpful, you like it, you want to rock with me, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and I'll see y'all at the end of the video. All right, y'all, so the picture taking outfit for today, I'm gonna just take a picture in this. I got this for Fashion Nova years ago. Sorry about my bags. Don't pay no attention to my bed, don't pay attention to my closet door, but I got this from Fashion Nova 3 years ago for Jamaica, and we didn't end up going to Jamaica. We ended up going to Vegas instead, and I never wore it. So we about to take pictures in this because this is the perfect beach outfit, you know what I'm saying? Dinner on the beach or something like that. It's so cute. But yeah, y'all, so I'm about to set up and then I'm gonna show y'all the pictures afterwards. But I wanted to show y'all my outfit, so there we go. So cute. Oh my goodness. All right, y'all.